Can you tell us something about yourself, about your company, and how has your journey been in the Indian apparel industry so far?
So basically, hello, I'm from Swish, Ahmedabad. Our brand is from Ahmedabad, and we are catering to ladies' garments, ready-made garments. We make Indo-Western tunics, and you can straight kurtis also, and three-piece sets also. Basically, we play in different kinds of fabrics. You can go with tissues. Tissue fabric is also the latest fabric. Organza is also the latest, and Dola silk. And what is our USP? We can tell about the USP. The USP is our TQA. So basically, what is TQA? TQA is trending, quality and affordability. Though that is the main thing the customer will buy from Swish, and he trusts to Swish because of this TQA. And our mission and goal is the same, TQA. So we can go with some garments, we can go with some fabrics. I can show to you. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
So basically, this is the tissue fabric. This is purely digital viscose based fabric. The garment is totally different, and this is purely handwork. This is the Samrish SS24 specialty chickens with the digital segments. In this we have different colors and different concepts also. The trending neck is also the V. मदन एक दो अलग अलग और गारमेंट देते हैं. हाँ ये देते हैं. This is tunics. Basically this range is all about 395, 495, and it sells on the counters of 595, 695. So this is also the Shifli chicken. एक शरारे वाला दे दे बाकी. Done. This is purely for the Eid collection, for the weddings collection. We can go with this concept. This is pure chinon. This is latest of this season.
Beautiful collection, sir.
This is also the new young color. This is purely short length with the pants and digital dupattas. We are playing on this. Done.
Is this the first time that you're participating? First of all, I have to congratulate you. It's an amazing collection that you have.
Thank you.
So is this the first time that you're participating, or have you participated earlier?
No. We are participating in CMI from last almost 5 years. After lockdown, we have started to participate in CMI, and we have incredible response because of we are starting to participate in CMI. We get the exporters, we get the stores, MNCs, good companies, which we can go through with many of different kinds of companies. And with the help of CMI, we get clients like 2-3 exporters and many more companies which are chain stores like Chennai Silk, Pothys, and many more companies we get from the CMI. So I thanks to CMI, and thanks to media also, and thanks to our CMI committee, all members, to ensure to participate us in this CMI exhibition. Thank you.
Sir, how do you think a partnership with IndianApparel.com could enhance your company's visibility and reach? And how has your relationship with us been so far in so many years?
Okay. So basically, we are looking that our Indian apparel market is day by day going to online, going to that platform, converted from book form to online platform. So basically we are very much thankful also to take this step, and our brand will also move on with this online platform to present multiple globally in globally market, and we are doing in only domestic market. With the help of this online platform, we can go with this platform to globally, worldwide. We can play with this, and many small stores, small channel stores, we can connect with online platform. So it's a very good step that CMI and committee had taken this platform to online. Thanks.